Welcome to Kids Knowledge Patch, where learning is fun and every day brings a new adventure. Hey, little explorers! I've got a super fun game for you, pal. Let's find out what animals love to eat. Look here! We've got leaves, fish, and berries. Can you guess which animal eats what? Who eats way up in the trees? Look at that long neck silhouette. Any ideas? It's the giraffe. Giraffes use their long tongues to grab tall, tasty leaves for breakfast. Shh, it's nighttime. Who's sneaking around looking for a midnight snack? It's a little mouse. He loves nibbling cheese, nuts, and crumbs all night long. Uh-oh, I hear a roar. Which animal loves juicy meat to stay strong? It's the mighty lion. Lions are carnivores. They eat meat to keep their muscles powerful. Who's rustling behind the bushes? Someone's searching for something sweet and squishy. It's a bear. Bears love berries, honey, and sometimes fish. Yum! Who's that up there singing while pecking tiny seeds? It's a bird. Birds peck seeds and grains all day long. Buzz, buzz! Who's zooming around these flowers looking for something sweet? It's a busy bee. Bees sip nectar from flowers to make delicious honey. Giraffes eat plants, herbivore. Lions eat meat, carnivore. Bears eat both, omnivore. Okay, quiz time. Who eats honey? Lion, mouse, or bee? Shout your answer. Whoa! The ground is shaking! Who's that huge friend coming our way? It's the elephant. Elephants eat fruits, grass, and leaves, and pollen. Lots and lots every day. Yay! You did it! Now we know what all our animal friends love to eat. You're an animal expert. Want to play again or meet new animals next time? Bye-bye, explorers! See you soon! Great job, little explorers! You're now an animal expert.